Write the measures of supplement of the angles given below. Now, same way of previous practice set, we have to write supplementary angle instead of complementary angle. Now, two angles are supplementary when the sum gives 180 degree. Supplementary angles are when they are 180 degree. Okay. So, first one is 15 degree. Statement will be same. The supplementary angle of 15 degree equals, from 180 degree what we will do, we will minus 15 degree. So our answer will be 80 minus 10 70, 70 minus 5 65, 165 degree. Means one angle is 15 degree, another angle is 165. Next 85 degree. So the supplementary angle of 85 degree equals 180 minus 85, which will be 95 degree. 180 minus 80, 100, 100 minus 5, 95. Next, the supplementary angle of 120 degree equals 180 minus 120. So 80 minus 20, 60 degree. Again, fourth and fifth sum are for homework. It's 37 and 108 degree. Next, 0 degree, the supplementary angle of 0 degree is 180 minus 0 is 180 degree. Means one angle is 0 degree, another angle is 180 degree. Lastly, A. Now this is same as the previous one of x degree. The supplementary angle of A degree is 180 minus A. Now we cannot find further, so we will stop here because A doesn't have any value in numbers. So we will stop here. Question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. From these measurement of angles, what we have to do? We have to make complementary angles and supplementary angles. So first we will make complementary angles. Now there has to be two angles. Suppose if I am taking B, 60. So to be complementary, it has to be 90. So 60 plus 30, 90. So I am writing here measure angle B plus measure angle N equals 60 plus 30, which is 90 degree. So therefore, measure angle B and measure angle N are first one. Then next, now 30, 60 is also done. Now 90, so 90 plus 0, another. So directly we can write now measure angle Y and measure angle E, because one is 90, one is 0. Next, 150, so that won't be count for complementary because addition should be 90 degree. Along with 75, angle D is 75, so 75 plus 15 is 19. So our next pair is angle D and angle F. So angle D and angle F. Now this is our first, second, third. 3 pair we found. Let us see further. This is 120. Again, this won't be count because addition itself is 90. It cannot go further 90. So J and G will be skipped. Now let's see supplementary angles. Pair of supplementary. Okay, if 60 is there, what number will be added? We get 180, it will be 120. So measure angle B and measure angle G are first pair, because B is 60 and G is 120. Then next 30. If we, what number added in 30 will give 180? It will be 150. So angle N and angle J. After that 90. So to be a supplementary, another 90 should be added. So there is no angle with 90 degree. So Y we will be skipping it. 150 and 30 already done. 75. What should be added to 75? 105. There is no 105. So we will skip. 20. Again 180 should be added. Again we will skip. 15. What number should be added to 15? 165. So it is not there. We will skip again. 120 and 60 already done. So no need to repeat. So hence there are 3 complementary angles, pair of complementary angles, and 2 pair of supplementary angles among these. Now let us see third one. In triangle XYZ, measure angle Y is 90. What kind of pair, like together, what kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? Now let me show you the triangle. Now you all have to make this triangle with scale and pencil both. I am using just the pencil because only my one hand is free. Yeah. Now which angle is 90 degree? Y. So see, Y angle is 90 degree. We have to find X and Z makes what pair? Pair as in together, which pair they are making. Now we know that we have to write in triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree. We know that. Also, there is one property that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals 180 degree. That the sum of the measures of all 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. When we add all 3 angles of the triangle, it is always 180 degree. So we have to write here the property which we have used. So the property is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This property we have used here. Now in this 3 we have value of only Y. So let us substitute this. Now let us take 90 to another side. When we take 90, 90 is plus. So it will become minus. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Now question says pair of X and Y. So X and Z. So X and Z we got. When we add them, we get 90 degrees. So when we add 2 angles together and sum is 90 degree, so that pair is known as complementary angle. So hence what we got, therefore angle X and angle Z make a pair of complementary angles. This is what we found. We do not have to find individual measurements of X and Z. No, what we have to find X and Z together what they form. So together what they make a pair of complementary angle, because when we add what we get, 90 degree, and this is the property which we have used.